My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware type threat that is called Khonsari. Khonsari. This particular ransomware encrypts the files that people store on their hard drives. The ransomware then tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. But paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be restored. Before the ransomware attacks these files, people are able to open them without any complications. They can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. However, it might happen that because of certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, the ransomware may be injected into the system. Then people notice that their files are encrypted, and this special Khonsari extension has been added to the files. The developers of this ransomware even specify some telephone number which you can use for getting in touch with them, which is pretty unusual because other ransomware type threats don't really provide any telephone number. Also, this email address is indicated. The ransomware tells that people need to pay the ransom, but paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be recovered. In fact, we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because you may simply lose your money for nothing. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager, and if you detect any suspicious processes with long random names, end their task to stop the further file encryption. To remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program using this green Download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and start researching your device to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.